In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Microsoft Teams to maximize your meeting experience. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to make the most out of this powerful communication tool and enhance your virtual collaborations. To start, you'll want to head over to Microsoft Teams. This platform acts as a central hub for teamwork in Office 365, and it allows you to chat, meet, call, and collaborate, all in one place. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, ensure that you're logged in with your credentials to access your workspace and meetings. Once you're in Microsoft Teams and ready to dive into your meeting, pay attention to how you can customize your viewing experience. Meetings in Teams are not just about engaging in live discussions. They're about being able to see all key information clearly and without distraction. To improve your focus and interaction during the meeting, you might want to switch to a full screen view. This is how you can do just that. Begin by clicking on the View option located at the top of the screen during your meeting. This brings up a variety of settings related to display and presentation. After selecting View, look for the More Options button. This option generally looks like an ellipsis, which can be found somewhere along the toolbar that appears when you hover your mouse at the top or bottom of your screen. Giving you access to a menu of choices, More Options is your gateway to tailoring your meeting layout. Now, from the options presented, look for and click on Full Screen. Selecting this will expand your meeting window to occupy the entire monitor, eliminating on-screen clutter and allowing you to focus completely on the meeting participants or any shared content. This is especially useful when someone is sharing their screen or making a presentation that you need to pay close attention to. By accessing full screen, you'll find yourself less distracted by background applications, notifications, or the desktop, which can help you and other attendees stay more engaged. Remember, you can always exit full screen mode easily by pressing the S key, which will revert back to your original view with the standard window interface. And there you have it, all done. By taking advantage of the various viewing options in Microsoft Teams, you can create a more polished, professional, and distraction-free environment for collaborating with your colleagues or classmates. Full screen mode is just one of the many features available to help you customize your experience and enhance your productivity. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this guide helpful in optimizing your workspace and getting the most out of your meetings on Microsoft Teams.